Hey, ChefD here for Nutrafarms. It is all about chicken today, but something a little bit different because we're all used to boneless chicken breasts. Why don't you use a boneless thigh? Amazing marbling to the thigh, nicely cut so cooked even for you. So we're gonna take our boneless thighs, put them in our bowl, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of rub to it. I have about 2 tablespoons of the Cajun seasoning. And you can use the Cajun seasoning that you can buy at any grocery store. A little bit of ginger, a touch of onion powder, and we're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix this up. Now, you could let it sit in your refrigerator for up to about 6 hours. You don't wanna go much more than that. Put it in our pan. We're gonna put it in a 450-degree wood-fired pizza oven, or if you want to put 400 degrees in your oven at home, and away you go. And in 9 minutes, we're gonna have beautiful chicken thighs. So we're about 7 minutes in, and I'm just gonna turn these over. You can just start seeing the fat is rendered off the chicken thigh and into our pan. And away we go. 2 more minutes and we're good to go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Those thighs done. Nice rendering. We have a beautiful pasta salad that we're going to accompany our boneless thigh with. Take our thigh. Moist, tender. It doesn't get much better than this. Check out this recipe and a whole lot more at nutrafarms.ca.